Sometimes people ask me, how did you ever get into chimneys? I was in sales for 2 years. It was actually advertising sales at a radio station. And I was complaining to a friend of mine, Marty Fuller, and Marty said, hey, you really don't like what you're doing right now. I have a job for you. So I did that from April to September, and Marty and Winston came to me and said, hey, you did fantastic. And they offered me the opportunity to start my own business, but use their name. I wanted to raise the bar. I wanted to provide the level of service that I had been shown through some great companies. We want to be responsive, we want to deliver great service, we want excellent follow-up, and we want to be there to answer any questions we can for our client. So we do chimney sweeping and restoration. We do relining of fireplaces and furnace flues. We do full masonry, tear down chimneys, rebuild chimneys. We do full firebox rebuilds. We install wood stoves. We install gas fireplaces. We install gas inserts. We install gas log sets. So if it has to do with a chimney, we probably do it. What we're trying to do at Winston's Chimney Service is deliver the best possible service to the inhabitants of the Washington, D.C. metro. We bring in trainers from the outside to help train our men so that we're delivering the kind of top shelf service that our clients are expecting. If you don't do the job right, you normally don't get asked back. And we have over 16,000 clients, and they continuously ask us back, which is why we've been able to grow and be successful.